Hello everyone, this is my first attempt to create a video and I am keen interested in solving issues you face while doing digital marketing for your business. After watching the video, do let me know how can I improve to help you better. Today I am picking up the topic local SEO as I have received a lot of requests to answer about local SEO at Quora. Today I am answering the question what is local SEO and what kind of business should use local SEO. So here we go. Local SEO is a strategy and process to optimize a site or page on your website to show for organic searches in the search engine, where the intent of searcher is to find local information. In short, local SEO is all about getting found online when a user makes local searches. For example, if I make a search on Google for a generic keyword like digital marketing course, you will see the results will not be the same. It depends on location to location. If you are in Delhi and then you will see that first of all a Google map will be shown with a list of institutes nearby you, and then the organic list will come up with the digital marketing institutes based out of Delhi. Again, if I make the same search from another location, say from Chandigarh, I'll see first page result will be filled up with digital marketing institutes in Chandigarh. So, local SEO become an important ranking factor and one must consider using local SEO because the fact says 50% of the searchers visit businesses within 24 hours of a local search. To start with local SEO, first and most important part is to register your business to the platform which will show your business to the users, and that is obviously maps. Google and Bing both have their own map services where Google have Google Maps to show business nearby you, Bing have Bing Places to show local businesses. Now, you might have thinking, why Bing, right? But according to the stat counter, Bing is used by 1.6% of users in India. So you can imagine how Bing is used by the users. Crores of the users in India might be using Bing. So registering with Bing can be a good thing. Register your business to Google through Google My Play Business and the Bing to Bing Places. The interesting fact is you don't need to have any website to get registered on these services. In case you want to showcase your products, Google have added a feature of creating a simple business page looks like a website at Google My Business section. And soon Bing is planning to do the same. Now the question is, who should use local SEO? So the simple answer is every brick and mortar business with a physical offices in a specific location should use local SEO. Searchers is likely looking for a place to go for a specific product or services, so local businesses need to show up in local searches for their industry. It is important for the local business to show up in the relevant local researches, as I told you earlier that 50% of the searchers visit the businesses within 24 hours of the local search. So these are the basics of local SEO. I'll soon come up with another video explaining the ways to do local SEO. Hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to drop your questions on the comment section so that I can come up with another video with the solutions to your problems. Till then, take care, bye bye, have a great day.